go to Uroflow software, then press right click and go to Run as Administrator. Then this window will appear on your screen. This is the tear button. You just need to press it. Remember, you have to put empty beaker on the weight transducer before pressing the tear button. Then go to Calibration button and click on it. It will ask you the login ID and password. ID is Nidhi and password is Nidhi123. After entering the ID password, press OK. Then it will ask you the scaling factor. This value will be there on your stand, plus it will also mention in your invoice. After entering scaling factor, press OK, and with this your calibration process is finished. Then fill up the patient details. Remember, name and ID number column need to be filled compulsorily. Here you will find two options. One is auto mode and second is manual mode. First, let's talk about auto mode. When you will select auto mode and press OK, this window appears on your screen. And with this, NidhiFlow 8130 will start recording the data. While in manual mode, after selecting manual mode, there will be an option to choose wait time. This option facilitates to set the maximum wait time till the NidhiFlow 8130 will wait for data processing. After selecting wait time, this window will appear, and as you can notice, manual mode has this play button, which auto mode doesn't have. In manual mode, NidhiFlow 8130 will start recording data after pressing this play button. Rest of the processing is same in both the modes. When patient starts voiding, the voiding start display will appear on your screen. As you can notice here, this window shows beaker's total volume, and here this window shows the data relating to the current case only. When NidhiFlow 8130 will finish the data processing, the test finish window will appear. You have to press OK. Then it will ask you to write diagnosis and advice. After writing it, press yes, and NidhiFlow 8130 will ask you to take print. Whether you want to take print or not, always press yes, and graph in PDF form will appear on your screen. Let's discuss the information given by Nidhi Flow 8130 through these graphs. First, these two graphs appear on your screen. One is flow rate versus time and second one is volume versus time. Below this graph, an analysis section appears in which Nidhi Flow 8130 displays parameters of volume, time and flow rate as per ICS standards. Hesitancy displays the time between patient's sensation of urination and actual voiding of urination. For the hesitancy function, you always have to use manual mode. Nidhi Flow 8130 also displays zero key nomograms. Nidhi Flow 8130 has an average flow rate zero key nomogram versus voided volume and maximum flow rate zero key nomogram versus voided volume. Zero key nomograms are required to observe the change in flow rate at different voided volumes, and it is useful to overcome the limitation of flow rate to any single voided volume. With this, we have finished with the demonstration of data processing and analysis part. Now let's see the different features provided by Nidhi Flow 8130. This button will help you to see the immediate last graph generated by Nidhi Flow 8130. With this button, you can search for any graph generated by Nidhi Flow 8130. After pressing the button, this window will appear on your screen. You need to fill patient's name, ID number and which numbers test you need to see. If we have done 5 tests of Mr. Joshi and you want to see second test of him, then select 2 here. Then go to search and press export, and your desired graph appears in the lower window. With the help of these options, you can adjust the scale of flow rate, volume and time interval as per your requirement. After selecting the appropriate flow rate, volume and time interval, press export to PDF. For the next case, you do not need to close the software. Just press the new patient button and you are ready to go with the next patient. Nidhi Flow 8130 also shows beaker full indication. beaker window will change to red when beaker is full up to 1500 ml. When beaker is almost full up to 1750 ml, Nidhi Flow 8130 shows beaker full indication, so you do not need to empty the beaker after every case. Now, if you want to search for a graph without accessing the software, then go to My Computer, D drive, then go to Report folder, your all reports are going to save in this folder.